In this video, we're going to be installing RStudio Desktop in Ubuntu version 20.04. To start, I'm going to open up a web browser and go to rstudio.com. And once the page loads, depending on the width of your browser, you may either see a menu bar across the top or the small menu icon on the top right corner. But in either case, we're going to go to Products, Open Source, and then select RStudio. On the RStudio page, we're going to scroll almost halfway down to the Download RStudio Desktop button. We'll click this button. We'll then once again scroll down to select which version of RStudio Desktop we want. For this video, I'm going to be selecting the free version of RStudio Desktop. And now on the installation page, it tells us the first step is to install R. Now on this system, this is a fresh install of Ubuntu, and I have previously installed R, so I'm going to skip that step for this video. And I'm going to scroll down to the list of installers and select the Ubuntu installer. In the download dialog, I'm going to select Save File and click OK. Now we'll notice that the file type we've downloaded is DEB. Now since this is a fresh installation of Ubuntu, I am going to have to install a package that will allow us to install the DEB package we've just downloaded. I should already have the repositories I need for apt, but just in case, we're going to do a sudo add apt repository and type universe here. We see that in fact it's already set up for this system. And then we're going to do a sudo apt install gdebi-core. And this is the tool that's going to help us to install the DEB package we've just downloaded. Now that it's installed, I'm going to switch over to my downloads directory. Here we find the RStudio package. I'm then going to type sudo gdebi RStudio, and I'm going to hit tab. This is then going to ask us if we really want to install the package, so I'm going to say yes. And this will actually start the installation. And once that finishes, we can simply type RStudio, begin RStudio Desktop. Also, instead of using the terminal to start RStudio, we can actually go to the application menu and type RStudio in the search bar to find the application and run it from here. In any case, RStudio Desktop is now installed and ready for use.